kids paint too. Kids paint too. Let me run you by this little recipe I got right here. So first you cook up some spinach in the bowl, add some motherfucking parmesan, some Philadelphia cream cheese in that motherfucker, you know? Add some salt, pepper, and some garlic. Stir that motherfucker up, G. Keep on stirring. Keep on stirring.
300 calories strictly from fat.
Oh, God.
All your work, gone.
You gotta put olive oil on both. I spray the olive oil because I ain't got no fucking actual olive oil. Pepper, pepper, salt. Back on the back side. Put it on the back. Cut the center right in the middle. Like that. Spray this motherfucker up with fucking olive oil. Now here's the fun part. Put them bitches up with that motherfucking paste, B. I use a spoon. Put that motherfucker on the grill, B. Now I'll wait. Cook asparagus, so I guess I'll do that. Going to put it on Facebook and then, you know, Facebook will block my video or mute my video because it's copyrighted. I guess I'm just gonna sing some shit. Bad grains. There's a lot of bad grains that we mix and 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 with this, which pretty much that works. Scooby-Doo, someone help find me my remote. I cannot find out that show. I gotta flip these motherfuckers over, you know? It's hard flipping the motherfuckers, but there you go. Peas, bruv, cocaine, she's a hoe, no way. Something, propane. Waiting. We both went to the brother man. Got coke from my brother man. It's too cold outside. It's too cold outside. I'm gonna cover this up for a while so everything can cook.
In a pipe, she flies to the motherland. Or sells love to another man. It's too cold outside. Angels to fly.
Flip them back over to the other side and then let it cook the rest of the way. You dig? I'm making the sauce. It's lemon juice, garlic, pepper, and salt. Also use butter, but I don't use that right now, so I'm using Pam. So right now it's getting a little brownish. That's what it's supposed to do right now. Alright, dude. Pour that shit over the motherfucking yah. And there you motherfucking have it, motherfucker.